Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss about map painting. In our social studies, this is the important topic and important academic standard. So map painting giving in our social studies almost 60 marks. So most of the students neglecting the map painting. That's why they are lost almost 16 marks. So how to get the more marks in map painting? Today we are discuss about that component. So the map painting divided in three subways. So one is the map drawing. First topic is the map drawing. Second one is the map reading, and third one is the map pointing. So let us discuss about map drawing. So the map drawing depend on the practice. Map drawing depend on the practice. Practice makes man perfect. 100% related to map drawing. So map drawing the examiner giving the two maps. One is the India map. Second one is the Telangana map. India map and Telangana map. So every student to try to practice India map. So the examiner giving the simple question, draw the outline map of Telangana. Paper 1 and paper 2, draw the outline map of Telangana. First is the draw the outline map of India. Second one, draw the outline map of Telangana. Every student must and should try until your practice is over. So that is the map drawing. Next, map reading. So the examiner already provided the ready-made in examination hall. The question paper, you are observed number of maps. In your textbooks, you are observed one page to last page. So there is a number of maps. You simply read that maps one or two times. Map reading depend on the map reading. So for example, 1 to 3 times. For example, you are going to lesson number 1. There is a India map. You know that? There is a India map, lesson number 1. So for example, what is the distance between north to south India? 3214 kilometers. So what is the distance between west to east India? 3214 kilometers. No. 2933 kilometers. So the examiner raised the question, these types of question. So what is the distance between north to south India? So answer 3214 kilometers. So what is the distance between west to eastern India? 2933 kilometers. Next, the examiner asked the another question, Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer indicate the 23.5 northern latitude. The Tropic of Cancer passes these states. One is the Gujarat, second one is the Rajasthan, third one is the Madhya Pradesh, and next one is the Chhattisgarh. Gujarat and next one Rajasthan, next one Madhya Pradesh, next one Chhattisgarh, and next one is the Jharkhand, next one is the West Bengal, next one is the Tripura, next one is the Mizoram. The Tropic of Cancer passes these states such as Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura, Mizoram. So how it is possible? The student must be observe the lesson. The Tropic of Cancer passes these states. State number 1 Gujarat, okay. State number 2 Rajasthan, okay. State number 3 Madhya Pradesh, okay. Chhattisgarh, okay. Up to Mizoram. Okay, next, which is the north tip point of India? For example, in degrees 37 degrees 6 minutes. Which is the south tip point of India? 8 degrees 4 minutes. It is clear? In degrees. This is and which is the south tip point of India mainland? Kanyakumari. How it is possible? You should observe the lesson. You should observe the map thoroughly. Next, Eastmost tip point of India 97 degrees 25 minutes. West tip point of India 68 degrees 7 minutes. Sometimes the examiner raise the question, what are the neighboring countries of India? What are the our neighborhood countries of India? For example, this area is the Pakistan. Next, this one is the China. Next, this one is the Bhutan. Next, Myanmar. Next, Bangladesh. Next, Sri Lanka. These are the boundary countries of India. So how it is possible? Practice, and then after observe the map. This is the map reading. So examiner already provided the map. You simply observe the lesson, observe the map, and give the answer. Next, last one is the map pointing. So the map pointing most important. So the in paper 1 exam, this is the 17th question. So the 17th question giving the 4 marks, paper 1 and paper 2 4 marks, total 8 marks essay question. So how to identify the maps, how to identify the map pointing? So it is divided into 2 categories. One is the India map, second one is the world map. So now we are discuss about India map. So India map lo the student should be learn about up to 16 areas, 16 main points, 16 main areas. Student should be cover 16 areas, that's enough. For example, how to prepare the India map? Simple. One is the states and capital, and the student to focus on states and capital. This is the first point. Next one is the rivers. Next one is the hills. Focus on these kind of areas. Next one is the latitudes and longitudes. Next one is the plateaus areas. Next one is the lesson related areas. Next one is the 7th one is the application question. Last one is the application question. Application questions. Example, which is the highest peak in India? Answer, K2. Where is the K2? That's it. Or which plate is famous for minerals? Chota Nagpur place. Where is the Chota Nagpur? Identify, simple. And this is the application question. The examiner in these four elements, question 1, question 2, question 3, question 4. Question 4 should be relevant to application compulsory. Next we are going to discuss about world map. World map compared to India map, world map hard task. So the world map also divided into some categories. For example, North America, how many countries are available? Simple. One is the Alaska. Next one is the Canada. Next one is the USA. Next one is the border country Mexico. So the topic is over. Next we are going to South America. South America has a lot of countries. Simple. First I identify the Brazil and Brazil boundaries. South America is over. Next we are going to Africa. The Africa, for example, Nigeria. It is relevant to lesson Nigeria. Next Egypt. Next, for example, Zimbabwe. For example, Morocco. So focus on it. Next we are going to Europe. So this is a very important continent, because the most of the First World War and Second World War going on this continent. So the Europe, the most important country, first is the Germany, second one is the Italy, war related countries, third one is the France, for example fourth one is the Belgium, fifth one is the Portugal, and sixth one is the Spain, and seventh one is the England, Germany already completed. First one is the Germany. And next some others, some war related countries. Eighth point, war related countries. Which countries participated the First World War or Second World War? Next, application question, ninth one. Application question. For example, what is the application question? So Franklin Roosevelt belongs to which country? Franklin Roosevelt belongs to which country? Application question. Answer USA. Okay, application question. Next, which country introduced the New Deal policy? America. Answer America. Hitler belongs to which country? Germany. Simple answer, Germany. Which country introduced the Nazi party or Nazi system? Germany. It is clear. Next, which country introduced the communist policy? Russia. Okay. Who introduced the USSR? Stalin. Stalin belongs to which country? Russia. For example, what is important question? What is the headquarter of WHO? What is the headquarter of WHO? Geneva. So what is the headquarter of UNO? Answer New York. What is the headquarter of UNICEF? France. Okay, UNICEF, sorry, New York. UNESCO, Paris. It is clear? So these are the application questions in Europe. Next we are going to Asia. So Asia la most important area India and neighbor countries. India and neighbor countries. For example, China. For example, Russia, both Europe and Asia. Next, Japan. For example, Vietnam. For example, New Zealand. And another country, Australia. And North Korea, South Korea. These are the importance in Asia. So we want more marks in world map, should be cover the all areas, especially Europe and Asia, some parts of North America and Africa. So this is the map painting. So everyone, my dear students, everyone focus on map painting. So easy way should be follow the 3 steps: map drawing, map reading and map painting. So it is very easy way. So every student must be get the 16 marks. Thank you.